There's a Schindler smart elevator. It's near Kupata, Klubbis, Turku, Finland. We're gonna check the others later. It's asuntoi Turun Marskin linna, Stekis B. But we also have to get into the Sigmas from 1999 here.
Yeah.
In the next building, to the right from this one. I haven't been in even one of them yet. And I guess this has to be from 1999 or 2000.
Yeah.
And the 0 is 1324B, 8 so 600 grams. There's no doubt. 0 is the ground floor.
Yeah.
I guess it could be also early 2000. Not bad, but the Sigmas are even better.
Yeah.
And today it is the 17th of August 2020. It used to have the Schindler logo there.
Yeah.
Yes, it's 0. But maybe there is a basement floor. I just wondered. We don't have time for it.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in next year, 2021.